Hey there, West Houston business owners. Cybersecurity threats are constantly evolving, and today I've got some crucial information you need to know about Basta and CACTUS Ransomware. These cybercriminals are using sophisticated tools to target businesses like yours, and it's time to get prepared. First off, let's talk about the BackConnect, or BC module. This nasty piece of malware gives attackers extensive remote control over compromised systems. They can execute commands, steal sensitive data, and even compromise your login credentials. According to Trend Micro, this tool is a favorite among hackers for exfiltrating financial data and personal files, putting your business at serious risk. Now here's where it gets interesting. Cybersecurity experts believe that former Basta affiliates have shifted their operations to CACTUS Ransomware using the same BC module. This suggests that businesses in West Houston are facing advanced and evolving threats. So how do these ransomware gangs gain access? Basta has been using email bombings to trick employees into installing Quick Assist, posing as IT support. Once they gain access, they exploit Microsoft OneDrive's updater to sideload a malicious DLL file, ultimately decrypting and running the BC module. Trend Micro has reported similar tactics being used by CACTUS ransomware actors. They're using BackConnect for post-exploitation activities like lateral movement and data exfiltration. However, there's some good news. Improved security defenses have caused their encryption attempts to fail in at least one instance. Recent leaks from Basta chat logs have revealed some interesting connections. They've been sharing stolen credentials sourced from information stealer logs. Their primary attack vectors include compromised remote desktop protocol, RDP portals, exploited VPN endpoints, and social engineering tactics like vishing and Quick Assist misuse. Experts suggest that some members of the Basta group have transitioned to CACTUS, given the striking similarities in their attack methods. This evolution highlights the need for West Houston businesses to stay ahead of emerging cyber threats. So how can Impress IT Solutions help? Here in West Houston, we specialize in fortifying businesses against evolving ransomware threats. Our cybersecurity strategies include 24/7 threat monitoring, advanced endpoint protection, employee training programs, secure backup solutions, and zero trust network access, ZTNA. With ransomware groups like Basta and CACTUS evolving their attack strategies, it's more critical than ever to secure your business. Contact Impress IT Solutions today to assess your cybersecurity posture and safeguard your operations against emerging cyber threats. Get in touch with our West Houston team today to schedule a free cybersecurity assessment and ensure your business is protected from the latest ransomware tactics. Stay safe, stay secure, and keep your business thriving. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips and updates.